Yan, nandyan na yung aming painting. Nilagay ng papa ni Ruth. Tapos yung mga wire doon, hanapan namin ng paraan na na di makita yan dyan ba. So they have just left with Anna and kami ni Ruth. Alis na din kami guys para makakain kami doon sa labas. Hindi kami magmadali. Kita-kita sa cinema! Manonood kami ng John Wick.
John Wick 4.
John Wick. John Wick ay. This John Wick behind me. Lululu. Kuha ako ng... I'll bring my key.
No, it's okay. I will bring mine.
Okay. So, sabi ko kay Ruth, we're lucky that his parents are close by. So, if gusto naming gusto naming umalis, madali lang ba kasi andito sila, pag free sila, pwede nilang bantayan si Ana, ganun. So, yun guys. Maswerte kami sa kanila. So, alis na po kami. Mag-movie night kami ni Ruth. Alis na kami. Naka-shades din si Kuya Driver.
Looks like it's, yeah.
It looks like it's summer. If we're in the Filipina, you can see something like it's smoking, like it's really hot. I forgot the English term for that one. There's a specific term.
I'm surprised you can still talk English.
Yeah, when it's really, really hot.
Yeah,
then
I know what you mean. I don't know the words either in English. But...
From a distance, then there's that thing you can see that it looks like it's smoking. So yung movie place na pupuntahan namin, malapit lang sa amin ba? Same din nung pinuntahan namin dati, but I'm not sure if I vlogged there before. So I try ko mag-vlog mamaya kung hindi tayo mahihiyan. Hindi ko dinala yung aking camera because yeah, we're gonna watch a movie. So I'm not sure if it's allowed here because in the Philippines, if you go to the cinema and then they check your bag, you can't bring a camera because of course
bags, but I
you
think
might
it's not
copy,
allowed.
no? You might copy ba? Baka magpuan ka dun ba? Mag-video ka doon, di ba? Pero sabi ko kay Rod, I'm not sure how it is here, but sabi ni Rod parang ganun din daw. So hindi ko na dinala yung vlogging camera natin, guys. The weather's really nice. Even on my phone, it looks really clear. Nice lighting. Dito pala kami kagabi guys, oh. Diyan kami galing. Kagabi? Na-meet namin yung buong family ni Ruth sa papa's side. First time namin na-meet ni Ana silang lahat. Yung lahat ng kapatid ng papa ni Ruth, tsaka yung yung mga anak nila, yung mga apo din nila. Si Ana lang yung baby. Maliit pa. Yung iba na? I think they're already like over 10 years old, no?
One was, yeah.
Your nephews ba? Nieces,
Yeah.
nephew. There's only one girl, di ay niece, ni Ana. Bali cousins na sila ni Ana. Isang babae, tsaka 4 na lalaki. Yeah. Si Ana din kagabi, hindi shy. She was not shy last night. Apparently, she was friendly. She was comfortable. Malapit siya sa mga tao doon. Parang, how many people were there last night? 25.
25.
Oh, so 25 kaming lahat doon. Saya guys. So okay naman, mabait naman sila. Yung iba na-meet na namin yun, yung uncle ni Rod, yung auntie niya. Tapos yung yung iba. Pero yung mga pinsan ni Rod hindi ko pa na-meet. First time ko silang ma-meet kagabi. Kami yung sa walk-in Asian na restaurant pa, tapos siya buffet. Sige, chika na tayo, chika. Dito na kami. Yan doon kami papunta. This town is called Veghel. Industrial area ba?
Yeah.
Maraming dito, maraming mga factory, ganun. So yeah, marami ding foreigners dito, sabi niya. It's the highest we can get in the Netherlands. In Limburg.
Daytime, huh?
Yeah. That's belangrijk.
Yeah.
Dito na din mismo yung yung sinihan. Dito siya guys. Industry yung pangalan. Industry na bioscope. Bioscope means cinema.
Yeah.
Yan. Para siyang industry na ano na yung feel dito. Ganyan. Yan yung cinema dyan. Tapos yung parking. Tapos yung Yumbo andun yung supermarket. So dyan kami papunta. Malapit lang sa cinema. So it's much easier. Kaya pala dito gustong pumunta ni Ruth kasi gusto niyo kumain ng pizza, biscuit. Malamig pa din siya, guys. Ayan, Yumbo Food Mart. Pasok tayo dito. Maraming tao man. May sushi. Wow. Margarita sa akin. It's really big, yeah?
Yeah.
I didn't think it would be this big. And then, kayo, what's that? Kebab?
Chicken kebab.
So, yan. Eet smakelijk.
Dankjewel. Jut.
Bulupiti. Dito lang kami sa supermarket. Yan. Ang laki pala ng pizza, guys. Gusto ko yung margarita. But anyways, kain muna kami. It's really good, yeah.
It's really more Italian style, like tin crust.
And there's like I told you, I think I told you already, in Cebu, in Ayala, there's a make your own pizza restaurant. And then you choose your own sauce, you choose your own toppings. I think you can choose the size too.
Really popular?
Yeah, it's called Pizza Republic, but I'm not sure if it's still there. At that time, I think you only have to pay like less than 200 pesos
Yeah.
for a pizza, but I think it's a little bit smaller than this, and the dough is a little bit thicker. You should try this one, but I've tried that one already.
I tried that.
I want simple.
They asked if you want herbs, so I just say yes with the herbs.
This one.
I really look forward to Filipino food.
Yeah, it's okay.
You more than me, even more than me, I think.
Magchika muna kami guys. Kasi date ito eh. Nga, bigla ang lakad ba? Kasi hindi namin alam na doon pala si Ana matutulog. Lola, so anong tawag doon sa Tagalog eh? Parang sinulit na namin ba? Bigla ang lakad na to. So naglalakad na kami papunta sa cinema. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. Hindi ko naubos yung sa akin kasi ang laki-laki niya. Si Ruth yung nag-ubos. Umubos pala. May Tagalog is sometimes crap. May grammar ba? In Tagalog is also sometimes crap.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, kita-kita tayo doon sa loob. Dito na tayo, guys. Ito yung theme niya, no? Because industry ang name ba? Guys, maliit lang yung cinema nila. From there until here. That's it. Dito na kami. Yeah. Mama, Papa's date night.
Yeah.
So, this is only like what? 15 minutes, no? 15 minutes from our place, and then maliit lang siya, which I like kasi hindi siya masyadong busy. Iba na talaga ba pag ka na, nanay ka na ba? Gusto mo na lang ng tahimik, tsaka hindi masyadong magulo. So, the movie's gonna be in like what? 10 in 10 minutes. May pa sila dito guys, may buzzer sila dito. Gusto mo mag-order kami ng popcorn, cola, tsaka tubig. Yan lang.
A few moments later.
Ja, dat de garage meegedaan, maar er was bij een automotief. Ja?
Maganda yung movie. Hindi busy doon. Konti lang yung tao ba? Kasi Sunday man. Dito walang masyadong tao sa Sunday. Kausap ni Ruth yung kanyang uncle, guys.
Ja, en ja.
Wala na masyadong
Ja,
tao dito.